Hello and welcome to Binance. So let's see how to register. To register, simply make sure you are on Binance.com, either HTTPS, see the padlock, so making sure you are on Binance, and then click create an account. Create an account, simply enter your email address, password, enter your password again, referral ID if you have one. If you don't have one, you can actually use that and partner up with someone who was already in Binance. Click agree to terms and conditions, read them as well, and click register. Next, you do the slider, match the puzzle. Then check your email for email verification. How to make your first deposit in Binance. First thing, we need to log in. Again, make sure you are on Binance.com. You are in the right domain. Log in. Slide to match the puzzle. After this step, if you haven't watched the video how to use Google authentication to protect your account, check the links below this video or browse the site for instructions how to do that. Let's go to funds, deposits. Then here you can use the drop down to find the coin you want to use. So in this case, we're going to type BTC, or you can type Bitcoin. Select the coin, and this is your receiving address or your deposit address from Binance. So you copy that and post this on your wallet, like Coinbase or Core wallets, whatever you buy in the coin from. So you can send it to Binance. Next, we're going to look how to withdraw from Binance. How to withdraw from Binance. Again, we go to funds, withdrawals, and again you're going to select the coin that you want to cash out or withdraw. To make withdrawal, in this case we selected BTC, and here you're going to paste the address from either your Coinbase, your wallet, Core wallet, or anywhere you want to send your coin to. Next, we're going to look how to trade in Binance. How to trade with Binance. So to get started with trade, you simply look at the coins or the pairs you want to use. In this case, we're going to go USDT market. So we're going to trade coins against the US dollar. I'm going to select Ethereum. Here you can select from basic to advanced. For this tutorial, we could use the basic. And to get started, all you need to do is look at the buy sells. So use the buys, use the sells, so you can see how they approach the center, and this indicates the current price. Okay, you can select from limit, market, which means you're going to buy or sell at the current price, and stop limit. We have other tutorial showing how to use stop limit, but for now we're just going to keep it simple. And let's say you want to buy and start your first trade. So you're going to pick a price, and if you want to pick from any price from this table, you can either extend the table, and if you want to get it as cheap as possible or at the current price, you just select what price you want to buy. So select the price, and the price automatically is added. How much do you want to buy? So in this case, you're going to buy 100%, and click buy in Ethereum or any other coin. To sell is exactly the same thing. You look at the sales price. Let's go back to the sales table, and you want to try and sell it as high as possible. So in this case, we're going to go back again. We extend the table. We're going to go up, and I'm happy to sell at 12.50. That's a good price from me. I want to sell it 100%, and you click sell. Once you click sell, the sale is done, and the funds will show on your account balance. So once again, for more tutorials how to use Binance, check the links below this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, when the fund stops, stop.